Good evening, everyone, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, and of course, our fabulous friends. Can I have a big round of applause for the media who have made this 25-year journey such an amazing achievement? But tonight is a very special night because actually we are starting and kicking off the IFA 2025 celebrations. This 25-year journey that was established by Andre Timmins, Virav Sargari, and Sabas Joseph, the trailblazers that we all know as the whizzes and masters of the event industry, not just in India, but internationally. And with that passion, they took IFA, starting from London in 2000, on this journey around the world. But for this very special edition, we have brought the celebration home to India, thanks to our esteemed host destination partner, the Government of Rajasthan Department of Tourism. We are here in the beautiful city of Jaipur, Rajasthan. And as Ashish just mentioned, and of course, thank you to Shobha, the partnership really has been a visionary one over the last 3 years. But today, the day before International Women's Day, we wanted to create something where we can all make a difference. I Can Make a Difference is our initiative that has been established 2 years ago, where IFA has always been a leader in the philanthropic space. In 2007, we were the first ones to establish a green carpet. We have done many things. We have planted 1 billion trees with UNEP. But now we wanted to teach all of you that all of us have it within us, and small steps can lead to making a big difference and an impact on the world. So without further ado, I will start this journey of women in cinema, and I would like to call upon stage the First Lady, who I can't really give an introduction of any kind of justice, visionary, iconic star with over 40 years of being in the industry, but looking better than any one of us tonight. She is the icon, she is the superstar, Madhuri Dixit Nene Ji. And this little evening of entertainment. I have another trailblazer, a lady whose journey, when we share it tonight, will hopefully be inspirational and aspiring to all filmmakers. From being the first Indian woman producer and Indian film to take us all the way to the Academy Awards in over 100 years of our industry, please put your hands together for Guneet Monga.
Hello.
Nisha, Pooja, Chandramukhi, Mohini, of course.
Wow. So I'd like to start this journey. Of course, Madhuri ji, can you say a few words, because everybody has been waiting impatiently to see you here on stage.
Well, good evening, everyone, and thank you so much for having me here. IFA Awards, 25 years of art, cinema, of tradition, culture, taking our cinema to the international audience, and celebrating cinema. 25 years of that, so congratulations. And thank you for all of you for coming here today and being with us, and happy to be a part of this discussion.
Amazing. So over the years, Madhuri ji, Bollywood has evolved significantly, as I'm sure we will all agree.
Elephant Whisperers did become the first Indian film ever to win an Oscar. 2023, we were nominated again. In fact, I landed this morning.
I know. Thank you very much. From the Academy Awards to IFA.
Thank you. I can tell you first, when it was announced, it was surreal. But when I did go up on stage and get the trophy from Pedro Pascal, the first thought was, oh my God, it's heavy. It's around 4 kgs.
Wow.
And it's a solid 4 kgs. So you're just like, ooh, whoa, whoa. So that is your first.
We don't make it that difficult with our trophy.
And then I was just holding it up. If you see my photos, then I was like, okay, I got this. I'm not taking it down. Surreal, magical, for sure. Very humbled.
What do you think has been your biggest...
you.
Please, a round
Thank
of
you.
applause. We can't say
Thank
it
you.
enough. And as a woman who started her career behind the camera, what do you feel has been the biggest challenge, especially as you came from a non-filmy background, someone who wasn't from the industry or the business, who wanted to break into this about 20 years ago? What was those challenges like?
You know, so I come from a very, very, very humble family in Delhi. हम लोग रेंट पे रहते थे और सपने देखे थे कि बस प्रोड्यूसर बनना है, कहानियाँ बोलनी है, बम्बई जाएंगे, फिल्में बनाएंगे. It's very far apart. You know, my parents and I used to stay in a 5,000 rupees rented 2 BHK in Faridabad, in Surajkund, outskirts of Delhi. And came to Bombay, shared apartments, just एक दिन producer बनेंगे, you know, fall in love with the stories, find the money, find the actors, reach out, you know, make it in that money, release it, distribute it, market it, take it to the world, understand distribution around the world. ये सब किया, you know, be it Lunchbox, be it Gangs of Wasseypur, be it, you know, Masan, Paglet, Kathal, recently Kill, और जितनी भी filmography रही है that I'm grateful for in the last 2 decades. Sorry, I got distracted.
The challenges and how the journey...
So one thing that I definitely faced was ageism.
Oh,
You know,
right.
because as a 21-year-old, यहाँ पर आकर film बनाने का जो सपना था, it was always like, इसको कैसे दे देते हैं पैसे? You know, she's so young. I definitely faced ageism. And
Do you feel the ageism was more than about you being a woman?
I think,
Or was it because of being a woman you felt the ageism was also more apparent?
you know, I have to say this, being a woman is actually never something that I thought was a problem. Though a decade and a half later, post the Me Too movement, I learned words like gaslight. मेरे से ये vocabulary नहीं पता थी, मुझे पता नहीं था कि ये सब कुछ क्या होता है. I didn't know that अच्छा इसकी वजह से भी discrimination होता है. You know, because discrimination is not my problem, it is सामने वाला's problem. I used to get my work done.
That's
You
a
know,
wonderful way of looking at it, that it empowered you rather than
It's
deterred
somebody
you.
else's problem that they don't want to talk to me. I'm just like, अच्छा मुझे ये काम करवाना है. You know, आप कैसे करोगे? Be it you're getting it done from, you know, somebody who's working on your set as a labor, or you're raising money with, you know, a huge professional, or, you know, you're doing business plans. You know, so I never had that switch also in my brain. I always articulated it as ageism. I was 26 and I colored my hair white. I used to wear sarees and wear specs. I prayed for chashme. You know, हाय बाल सफेद हो जाए, आँखों में चश्मे लग जाए, लोग पैसों के लिए ट्रस्ट कर लेंगे. You know, so I prayed for. अब सारे बाल सफेद हैं और full on चश्मे हैं.
And
But
now you don't want those white hairs.
yeah, but now it's okay. Now I'm 41, but 2 decades ago I've prayed for it. You know, as a 28 or 27 years old on Gangs of Wasseypur, you know, just 29 years old on Lunchbox, just trying to push and new territories. You know, learning and innovating distribution. Like Lunchbox was an Indo-French co-production. You know, India and France had signed a treaty in 1987. I was the first one to use it in 2011.
Oh my God,
Or
wow.
2012. So just constant innovation, you know, taking films to Cannes, figuring out how to distribute around the world, and all of that leading up to Kill this year, which broke out at Toronto, and we distributed the whole world. You know, which is very different from a regular Hindi film.
Which is also nominated, of course, at IFA.
I'm very excited and I'm very happy to be at the 25th IFA.
Absolutely.
My first time being here, so I'm just very humbled to be here with a movie. Yeah.
Amazing. And you've been able to successfully take a lot of independent films on a journey
Ji.
of a global success. How do you relate to the independent industry when it's compared to the commercial films, and being able to translate your passion in the big screen?
You know, it's a great question. You know, nobody cares about the independent. So because lack of access, you know, we actually don't know our limits. हमें पता ही नहीं कि हमारा दायरा कहाँ है. इसलिए हम लोग इतने बड़े सपने देख लेते हैं कि कुछ तो कर ही लेते हैं. You know, so uh, we 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 are not stuck to any limitation. You know, we are so indie, like at the end of the day, we have to make it happen. So I think what we believe is the power of asking. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सामने वाला मना ही कर देगा ना.
Very
But
true.
पूछ तो लेते हैं, you know. And I think that is how indie, know, you make your tribe, you make your team, you double down, you're, you know, sharing lunches. You don't care about the rules of the business, you know, and you're just so happy. So I've been in one corner making independent films. Now it's been 40 films down. And now my little corner is shiny. But I've always been in that corner very happy. You know, doubling down on my tribe, working with a lot of incredible actors, with a lot of great crew, with a lot of first-time directors, and we actually don't know limits because आँख खोल के सपना देखते हैं, you know, and I think commercial cinema actually is very bonded with ऐसा होना चाहिए, ये लोगों को नहीं पसंद आएगा, ये हम बोल नहीं सकते, एक गाना ऐसा चाहिए, इतने रूल्स के साथ वो पैकेजिंग में फंस जाते हैं that I feel like वो तो हमने सोचा ही नहीं था, you know. So we are very liberated in our thought. And in fact, you know, Anura winning this year is a celebration of Anura winning at Oscars is a celebration of independent cinema. And independent cinema, actually, when you see commercial cinema back breaking, it is the era of independent. It is the era of people who don't know their limitation and can dream and can make things happen. You know,
Absolutely.
So it is not an era of rules and regulations, and you know, stories live through generations. So, yeah.
And if we don't dream, we don't achieve, of course. So I'm glad. There you go.
The universe
The
believes
universe
in-
believes you, yes. And like we discussed, it is changing in cinema, both whether it's internationally or in India for women. But what initiatives or establishments, or what do you think this business to empower and to get more women behind the camera?
Thank you for asking that. You know, we were just talking backstage, and I'm actually deeply, deeply honored to share the stage with my own legend. I have grown up seeing you. Not
Everybody's
if I-
legend.
I mean, come on. I was like, whoa. So thank you, Aifa, for creating this moment for me. It's so, so special. Thank you. You know, I feel, genuinely live in an echo chamber. We have beautiful partners that we work with in our companies, in our organizations. We work with incredible people, having good men in our life, you know, aware, evolved men. So I feel like we live in an echo chamber, but हमारे आगे भी दुनिया है, which is not as empowered, you know, and which is what we all need to hold hands and encompass, right? So I feel like there are so many women, like there are more women in my office than men. And there is a lot of pride. I mean, it's an organization led by a woman, and there's a lot of pride. We don't have that lens of most of my slate is female led. You know, be it Paglet, Kathal, or even when we did Surarari Potru, you see the characters, or you see any of the women characters, even in Kill. You know, you see how any of the women characters, how they're shown, even in a testosterone heavy film. So there is always this lens. But I feel like our lens is an echo chamber, and then there is a lot to be done, because जब stats आते हैं बाहर and it says less than 3% women are directors, then I feel like,
Exactly.
why is that happening, you know? Less than 9% are in crew. In fact, you know, a very, very disturbing stat that I really, really want to share is that everybody tries to make their low budget films with female DOPs when they have no money. The minute their next film happens, the same crew moves on to make films with, you know, we will go do this. And smaller budget things go to women DOPs constantly. And that really, you know, disturbed me, that information, that why is it being treated as ये सबसे difficult छोटा AV है या difficult काम है ये करवा लेते हैं but film किसी और से बनवा लेंगे, right? The craft is the same and the craft evolves with more work and more opportunities. So there is clearly some sort of, I think we are all born in patriarchy and we are learning feminism every day. You know, हम लोग हर रोज अपने आप को educate करते हैं और हम लोग हर रोज सोचते हैं कि आज हम थोड़ा सा envelope कैसे move करें. So at large, to all the amazing men who understand that women put up a huge fight 10 times over to win it once, who understand this, you know, we need to double down on more colleagues in the industry. Personally, we are building, this is not officially announced, but maybe today at IFA, we are building Women in Film India.
Amazing, guys.
Thank
Put your
you.
hands together.
We are humbly funded by the Gates Foundation and Women in Film LA to set up the space, to set up the skill development plans, and we are building that out now. No better day than, you know, maybe Women's Day to the one day that is given to
And
women.
it shouldn't be one day, of course. It should be
Yeah.
every day of the year that women are celebrated.
But there's a lot of work to be done, and I'm very. We've come a long while from when ma'am started to where we are. There are a lot of women on set, but I think now we need to double down on HODs and have more women perspective, and also be aware on how women are shown on screen. You know, as just because that defines pop culture. You know?
Amazing. So you said, of course, there is amazing men around us. On that note, I want to acknowledge, of course, Andre, Sabas, Viraf, and IFA, which has also been led by amazing men. But we have a very strong female-led team, at IFA and our home, and I very proudly am part of that. With IFA becoming such a strong global platform, this is something for both of you to share. How do you think platforms and IFA as a soft power can also help develop this change, both whether it's behind the camera or in front of the camera?
I think the fact that IFA has such a big audience all over the world, and they have so many eyeballs, that anything you do to make
That's
people
about
aware,
2 billion people, just to add to everyone, that connect with this brand globally every year.
Amazing, amazing. And so I think whatever you do to make people aware of a lot of subjects that you want them to be, like you say, you use the soft power to take your culture to other countries. And today, because of OTT, like we were discussing, there's so much we see from all over the world. And they see our movies, we see their movies, their series, and imagine a Korean drama that we, watch here in India. I would have never thought that would ever happen, but it does. And I think IFA is a great, platform where you can take your stories, your, whatever you want to make people aware of, take it to the world, and people will listen, because they trust you and they have seen you, and they really you're looking forward to whatever you want to tell them.
Vineet?
You know, dear IFA, you guys are incredible. You've built a huge institution and a Agnum and a big brand that matters to the industry. I think the onus of women paving ways for women should not just be on women, right? Please share it. Please, our dear men, share that onus. I would request IFA to give awards to men who support leading women in main characters,
Absolutely.
who stand up and say, I will do this film because it's led by a woman, to reward producers who are pushing women characters, directors, writers, who are making them empowered on screen, and studios who are putting money behind it. I think there should be a whole category of awards on how women are shown on the screen. Those films should be awarded and represented, and those people should be acknowledged, and especially actors. who are saying that the onus cannot just be on women. It should be on the industry at large, and there should be an industry-led award um, for people who celebrate women on screen.
Wonderful. And again, to both of you, how do you feel you can influence or mentor or empower the next generation of female actresses or female producers, directors, like we're mentioning? What is the one sort of empowering message that you would like to share to them, other than dreaming, of course?
Well, I think we are the ones who, make a path for them, so to say. If I keep pushing the envelope today and I keep saying that, no, I want better roles, I want to do this, I want, say, even a simple example, like when I did Pukar, I talked about that, and I talked about Mrityudand. People were totally against me doing that film. They said, no, you're a commercial actress, you cannot do this film. She shoots someone in the end, and you can't do that. And I said, why? If I don't push the envelope, I don't try different roles, and I don't say that I want the woman to be really strong on screen, and I want to do those kind of roles, maybe, nobody else will be able to follow. Nobody else will get the inspiration of doing the same. And if I'm successful at doing that, then I pave the way for others to follow, other women to follow and say, hey, we want strong roles, we want, meatier kind of representation on screen, more powerful representation. And so I think it's the powers in the leading. I have to lead so that the others can follow, and I have to make the choices accordingly.
And you have. You have women-led, and the film is called only Stree 2. And there was Barbie last year. So I just think that there are full possibilities of breaking the box office. There are full possibilities of creating those moments.
No, I think that happens. Like when I did, say, a Raja, people said it should have been called a Rani, or I did Beta, it should have been called Beti. But it all is words, When will it actually happen? That is the question. It did happen at one point in my life, but is it a regular happening? I don't know. It's very rare.
So that's why I was like, last year Barbie and Stree 2, that happened, that these two films broke the box office there and here. One needs to do more. One needs to take more chances. And to be able to do that, there is clearly a pay gap. There is clearly a difference. And absolutely women have to do it 10 times to be doing it once. Also, to be constantly, be supported by actors. It's very hard. But I just feel like I genuinely want men actors to answer this question. I just feel like the onus of answering these questions on women is very strange, because we're anyways the people who are
on the receiving end of
on
this.
the receiving end,
absolutely.
and then to comment,
Yes.
on that. What we can do is create more opportunities, do more. There is no shortcut of doing more. And we've seen some examples, like Stree 2 is an incredible example. It's the highest box office Hindi language film to date. So there is so much power in just doing that and doing more of that, hopefully. And in 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, we have more examples of that. It will become a norm. I hope so. I'd like to dream
We
so.
all do. And like I just mentioned,
Thank
sorry,
you
of
for
course,
being
yes.
part of that.
So when we started this, I explained that I can make a difference, along with Shobha, have been championing, because Shobha actually has a school in Kerala for girls, for educating them, for giving the step and laying the foundation to build a career. In terms of, what do you think one of those small steps can be for somebody who's just starting out in their career, but could hopefully lead them to making a big difference? What, just if it had to be one thing to motivate them?
Keep creating. There's no shortcut. Write every weekend, shoot every weekend, build your tribe. Don't wait for validation. For who? Don't wait for, you will meet your people. You will make 2 bad things, your 3rd thing will be better. Keep creating. And I really, really always give Kartiki Gonzalez's example. She's a natural history photographer. She directed Elephant Whisperers, and she's never been on a film set. She's not come in as an AD. She was a photographer and found a story, made a pitch trailer, sent that as a cold email to Netflix, to us at Sikhya, and that led to creating and starting a team coming together for Elephant Whisperers, to making Kartiki Gonzalez as the first female director to win an Oscar. You know, that's because she didn't think that there was any roadblock. She didn't think that it was not possible. She just fell in love with the story and stayed true to that. And stayed
Believed
true
in
to that
it.
journey.
And she believed in that whole story.
And then she created something. She created a pitch trailer on her own and pitched a pitch trailer, not like with a script or something. It's a documentary. There is no. So I'm just saying that if you keep creating, you will find your tribe and that will lead you to your destination. But you can't stop and wait for validation. That's all. Just keep creating.
Never give up.
Never, yeah.
To put it in short, right? Never give up. Because who knows when and where you will find that, germ, and you will hit it and it'll be just right. So never give up. Like I was doing my second Marathi film and we had a DOP on board and something happened and he was not being able to make it. And somebody suggested, oh, there's another woman who's a DOP, but she's a woman,
Yeah.
And I'm like, so what if she's a woman? And I saw her work and I loved it. And I said, no, I want her on my script for Panchak. And we had her. She did a wonderful job. You should see the film just to see the photography in the film. And recently she was nominated for the best photography.
Pooja Gupte.
Yes.
Pooja Gupte.
Pooja
yes,
Gupte.
she's incredible.
And I just loved her work. And so that's how it has to be something that is deserving,
Absolutely, and I said that at the Oscar stage after the win, and I said that in the press conference after, and I said, don't wait for a seat on the table. Create your own table and sit on it, and then
Very
you
well
can
said.
choose who else sits on it. So who's waiting for a seat on the table? It's my table.
Correct. And of course, to lead this conversation to this very big weekend, and with IFA celebrating its 25 years of the industry, the business.
Most amazing women here and also the women in the audience as well. Aap sabke liye every day.
There you go, Ashish. Thank you. याद रखिए 25 साल आइफा के वो भी हमारी मातृभूमि इंडिया जयपुर में. Thank you so much. Hold on. अब सबको मौका मिलेगा. Thank you. Please don't come up on stage, everyone. Please don't. Thank you. Request you to Meti Protocol Sabas, Andre, the co-founders of IFA, ladies and gentlemen, of course. Poonam, another amazing woman who's been the backbone of IFA as well. दोस्तों, आशीष, अगर आप यहाँ पे हैं, Sabas, and of course, Viraf, you're missing you, the three wizards of IFA, and of course, the Vice President.
Thank you, everyone.
The magicians of IFA, याद रखिए पहला इवेंट है 1 day prior to International Women's Day, and now the IFA weekend begins.
Madhuri, look center. Madhuri, wait.
Okay, both Puneet, Monica Kapoor and Madhuri, one photo there, please. Double power, double excitement. All right, अभी एक छोटा चीज करूँगा माधुरी. एक छोटा चीज,
माधुरी वेट ना
एक डांस स्टेप, एक हाँ, with one person from the audience, quick, हाँ, all right, can I have that one lady here? आइए, एक, आइए, thank you, boss.